Good morning friends, welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to learn about minerals. In previous video we already have learned about different types of rocks and their types. Now today we will see about the minerals. So students, do you know how minerals are obtained? So minerals are obtained underground due to some natural process. So we can say some natural processes within the earth form minerals, and these minerals are useful to make rocks. All these rocks are underground natural resources. Some minerals are metallic while some are non-metallic. See students, there are two kinds of minerals. First one group, that is the metallic, and second one, that is non-metallic. So first we will learn about the metallic minerals. See students, in day-to-day life we use the different kinds of minerals. In that, some are metallic like iron, gold, silver, copper and aluminium. These are the some common metals. In these metals, some are the precious metals, means they have the so much importance in our life. For example, gold and silver are used for making jewelry due to their shiny appearance, means they shine too much, and that is why they have too much cost compared to the other metals. In that, platinum is also one silver metal which is more costly than the gold and silver. Some other metals like copper, iron and aluminium are used for making wires, electrical gadgets like a small device or tools we can say, and also used in buildings. You can see the picture of some metals which are used to make jewelry like ornaments, gold, copper wire and aluminium fixture. Now we will see the next point, that is non-metals. See, non-metals like coal and petroleum, these both are obtained naturally. Non-metallic minerals can be in the form of solid, liquid or gas. Now we will see briefly about the coal. Do you know coal? Coal means, yes, kolsa. Coal is dug out from the earth from deep underground mines. Whatever the mines are there, the mines means that we make the pit under the ground to get the minerals like coal. Okay. So how this coal is made? So coal is made from old decayed plants. Now decayed means decomposed plant. Okay, so when the forest, now one not tree, so forest means many trees. So when the forests are buried under the ground, so due to the heat and high pressure, these forests change into a dark substance called coal. So that dark substance is called coal, and this process takes millions of years to change decayed plant into coal. So this process is not fast process. We cannot get within 1 year or 2 year the coal. Yes. So formation of coal takes place, or formation of coal takes millions of years to form the coal under the ground, and that is why we should use very carefully these natural resources, because we cannot make as fast as these are the natural process. Okay, then what are the uses or importance of coal? Coal is commonly used for cooking, especially in villages. They are economically poor, they cannot buy the cylinder or gas. Okay, so that is why they use the coal for cooking as a fuel. Then coal is also used for the producing electricity in the thermal plants. If you want to see the thermal plant, so while going to Paradi, you can see one thermal power station is there. Okay, so there they use the coal to produce the electrical energy. It is also used by washermen to heat the iron for ironing clothes. Ironing clothes? Yeah, ironing clothes. After washing, we can see the wrinkles on cloth. So these wrinkles disappear after ironing. Coal mines. Now where these coal mines are situated? So especially few states are there like India. In India, few states are there like Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Okay, student. Now the next part is about the petroleum. So what is meant by petroleum? So petroleum is fossil fuel. Petroleum is a fossil fuel which is formed from dead remains of land and sea creatures. It is used as fuel in liquid form. Do you know the liquid form fuel of that is called the petrol and diesel? Both are in the liquid form, and the gaseous form petroleum is CNG. The full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. So this gas specially used in vehicle. These vehicles are these vehicles produce very less smoke. So these vehicles are pollution free vehicles, we can say. It is also used for dry cleaning petroleum. It is also used for dry cleaning lubricating oil. Lubricating oil, yes. Printing ink and medicines. Paraffin wax is also obtained from the petroleum. This is the byproduct of petroleum. Okay, so paraffin wax is also obtained from the petroleum to make candles, waterproof materials and polish. You can see one picture here, so you will understand the different uses of petrol. See, at the center you can see the petrol. Okay, and the different uses of petrol. So first use, the manufacturing lubricating oil. Second, dry cleaning clothes. It is also used fuel powder the vehicle, fuel to power the vehicle. Next, it is also used for manufacturing of paraffin wax, which is used to make candle and used as a printer, used in printer cartridge. Okay students, so this is about the minerals. Okay, now see, conserving the natural resources. Whatever the natural resources are there, these natural resources we have to conserve, we have to protect, and we have to use very judiciously. Now see, why we have to conserve. So minerals minerals take thousands of years to make. This process of formation of minerals will not take place within 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. It takes thousands years. So this process is very slow process, and that is why these natural resources we have to use very carefully. Day by day, the number of vehicles increasing. It means that vehicles need petrol and diesel, so that amount remains same. That process is very slow process to form the petrol and diesel. That is why we need to use very carefully. We should try to reuse and recycle the material and also reduce the use of certain resources. So how we can reduce the use of these resources? So instead of petrol and diesel vehicle, we can use the bicycle, so we can reduce the use of petrol and diesel. Second thing, try to reduce or minimize the use of vehicles. If there is a small work, so you can go to the market by walk also. Sometimes you can use bicycle also. In this way you can save the petrol. To conserve the petroleum, we can adopt several ways like carpool, keeping the vehicles in good condition so that they use the less fuel. So whatever the maintenance are there, so that vehicles you can maintain properly. Okay, so that vehicle use very less petrol and you can use for long time. So these are the some conserving, these are the some methods. By this we can reduce the use of petrol and diesel or natural resources. Adopt more ways to use the solar or wind energy. So we can use the different types of solar machines, or we can use the solar bike also. Nowadays solar bikes are also available, vehicles are also available. So this way we can conserve our natural resources. Now today's new words. See students, new words are platinum, a silver grey metal that is often used for making expensive jewelry. Gadgets, a small tool or device or machine. Petroleum means mineral oil that is found under the ground or sea and is used to make petrol, plastic and other types of chemical substances. Fossil fuels means that is a natural fuel such as coal or oil that was formed millions of years ago from dead animals or plants in the ground. Next, today's homework students. Now see, here I asked few questions to you. So these questions you can write, these questions answers you can write very nicely in your notebook. First question, how is coal formed? Mention 3 uses of petroleum. Second question, how is petroleum used in gaseous form? Third question, write any 2 uses of petroleum. Fourth question, what is the full form of CNG? Fifth question, what is mean by fossil fuels? And sixth one question, make a list of states where coal mines are situated. So today's part we have completed here students. If you have any queries you can ask to me. Remaining part of this lesson we'll see in our next video.